Hello everyone, I'm Beverly Tiffany Ganawan, and today I will be showing you my fudgy and crispy brownie recipe. The ingredients we will be using are these listed below. First, we will be putting in our sugar. It is optional for you to mix in a little bit of brown sugar just for a little taste. After putting the sugar, we will be microwaving the butter for 30 seconds. Get a bowl and measure your flour precisely. Then continue to put in cocoa powder in the same bowl. Since I don't have vanilla extract, I will be using vanilla powder. If you're using vanilla extract, you can put it in later in the egg mixture. Microwave your chocolate and put a little bit of milk just for it not to burn in the microwave. Add your melted butter to the sugar and mix thoroughly. When it looks like this, add your 2 eggs carefully and mix it together. When it looks just like this, add your chocolate that you've microwaved before. After mixing it thoroughly, add half of your dry ingredients and sift it well. After sifting it, mix it thoroughly, and after this we will be adding the other half of the dry mixture. After mixing well, it should look like this. The consistency will be a little bit thick. Add the other half of the chocolate box you've saved and mix it well. These chocolate blocks will create fudgy chocolate pockets in your brownies. After lining your tray with baking paper, pour in your batter carefully. Don't forget to spread it evenly. Put in your tray in your preheated oven.